Oh yes.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. If you like the video, hit the bell to never miss another one.
Alright guys, so as you can see, we're out on the river again this afternoon. Only got a couple of hours to kill. And this place is probably one of the most relaxing places you can be. Didn't bring any worms or any bait tonight. Didn't bring any soft plastics, just got hard bodies. So we've got a couple of Savage Gear cranks, which I'm going to start the night off with. It's about 6 o'clock now, so we've got a couple of hours to fish with. Just going to cast these hard up into the snags. Once it gets a little bit darker, I've got some bent minnows and some Daiwa double clutches. So I'm going to chuck on. So stay tuned. We'll see if we can get some fish tonight. Yep, fish on. Hey. Just off the edge of that snag right there. Could not help himself. There you go. There he goes. Nice little estuary perch. They're slowly getting bigger in the Werribee River. Yep, fish on. Same snag. Oh, I dropped him. On. Oh, Jesus. This fish was just sitting just out here. No structure, no nothing. Just next to this stump. There you go. He's a bit bigger. There he goes. Another nice little estuary perch. Slowly getting bigger. Yep, fish on. Oh, I dropped him on the snag. Yep, fish on. Yes. What do we got on the double clutch? Hey, nice little EP. Bring him around this side. A little one, but there you go, nice little EP on the Werribee River. So what I've just done, I've just paddled back down river away from the snag where I got that last fish. So what I'm going to do is cast the lure and I'm just going to follow exactly the same line and see if we can get another one. Where you get one, you normally get more. if the wind's going to let me. Yep, fish on. Oh, that's a good one. Beautiful. And what did I say? When you get one, you normally get more. Okay. Another one caught on the little double clutch. On the same hook. Hooked almost in the exact same way as the first one. There we go, guys. Same snag. There he goes. Second little fish for the night. Alright guys, so the dive with double clutch. Doing the deed so far. This is the little guy here. Nice little holographic body. Sort of like a purple haze to the top, silver belly, like a brownie top. Alright. So we'll keep a little double clutch on. We'll have a few more casts with him and we'll see if we can get something else. So we're now on the other side of the snag where I've caught those other two fish. Really love to get a snag right up in there. It's gonna be a dangerous cast though. Yep, fish on. There we go. Beauty. Other side of the same snag I was on earlier. I actually seen that fish take the lure. Another little estuary perch. Beauty. Double clutch doing it again. Just pinned him in the bottom jaw. There you go. Oh, yep. Wasn't ready for that one. There we go. Another one. Smash that lure. Four fish off the same snag. There you go, guys. A little bit bigger than the last lot, this one. Try not to get stuck by this one tonight. Yeah. Fuck it. Fucking try not to get stuck by it and it gets me. So that's 4 fish off the same snag. Let's see how many more we can get with the same lure. Yep, fish on. There we go. Another one. There we are, guys. 5 fish off the same snag. There we go. Yep, fish on. Yes. That's a better one. Yes. Beauty. Again, don't get too close to where you've pulled that fish from, because I'm going to have another cast into that snag and I don't want to spook the school. There you go, guys. Werribee River EPs are turning it on tonight, that's for sure. There we go, guys. What's that? Fish number 6. Having a cracker session this afternoon. Yep, fish on. Ah, oh, dropped him. Oh, that's better. Yep, fish on. There we go. Knew he'd be there. Just needed to get closer to that snag. And there's something jumping over there as well. Oh, big carp. I don't know whether the camera picked that up or not, but I seen him. He was absolutely enormous. There we go, guys. There we go. Yeah, oh, dropped him. Not sure if the camera can pick this up or not. There's a massive goldfish right here. Right here. Right here in front of me in the weeds. There he is. There you go, goldfish in the Werribee River. It's amazing what you find in here. Maybe next time I might come down to this spot and I'll bring some worms. And look, he's still sitting there. Right there. There's a chunk of a fish too. Oh yes, oh that's a good fish. Oh, that was a good strike too. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a good one, that one. Oh yes. Beautiful little bass. You beauty. Yep, sure is. Look at that. Beautiful bass. There he goes. Nice chunky Werribee River bass. Caught on the surface lure on the little jackal pompadour. Beautiful.